Hi there. Today is October 28th. This is 8th grade English Language Arts at Hanby Middle School. My name is Mr. Newman, and this is our class recap. Um, so today's class is focused on two things. One, we worked on our character letters, and they are due tomorrow. But the main thing here is making sure that you are up to speed in no red ink. So we had 15 minutes of no red ink time at the beginning of class. If you look on due today, what you see is that your no red ink parts of speech assignment 1 is due, and the quiz is also due. So we started No Red Ink last Monday, which means you had last Monday, last Wednesday. I recommended you spend some time last Friday, this past Monday, and now today. So that's a lot of class time. We had 10 to 15 minutes each of those days. At some point in there, if you weren't making progress and you were working in No Red Ink the whole time, you should have kind of flagged like, hey, maybe I need to spend a little bit more time on this. I've also noted at the beginning of every class, please make sure that you ask for help if you need it. And so I see that some people are stuck and they're not asking for help, but I can't change those things for you. But I do want to show you what you need to do in No Red Ink, particularly with regards to turning assignments in. So if we go back to Google Classroom, and we're in today, October 28th, a number of students have said, hey, it's really important for me to track assignments in Google Classroom. So one thing I did is I went back to last Monday, which is when we started this, October 19th, and I made this an assignment. So when you complete the No Red Ink practice or the No Red Ink assignment, make sure you turn it in here. That tells me I need to grade it. And then that's how I'll know that you've completed it, because remember, assignments that don't get turned in through Google Classroom do not get graded. Okay? In No Red Ink, let me show you what that looks like. So for you to be able to take the quiz, you have to show mastery in the assignment. Okay? So when you're in the assignment itself, mastery means that you have one of these little, like, it always reminds me of a Reese's peanut butter cup or something, but it's a green thing with a check. So that says you have mastered identifying concrete nouns. So if I look at this person, this is my sample student account. There are 3 areas where we've shown mastery, and there are 2 more that I would still need to show mastery before I would be able to unlock the quiz. So when I do unlock the quiz, so basically, and I check these a couple times a day, if you show mastery on all 5, you can also turn the assignment in, and at that point, I'll unlock the quiz for you too. But what you want to make sure is that when you do go to take the quiz, it will be here, okay? And you can go in and start taking the quiz. The difference between the quiz and the practice is that whether you get something right or wrong, it doesn't tell you. It just moves on to the next one, and away you go. And you can see that you have 20 questions up there. And so you can, verbs, wrote. So it lets you go from there. Anyhow, so these are the 2 things that you'll work on. Let's go back to the main assignment. And just as a reminder, so the No Red Ink assignment first, and then the second part of making sure you have a strong character letter, which we do during class tomorrow. Good work today. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.